Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below. Let me know how your day is going. Welcome back to our family. So, if you read from the title, it seemed like I was like in slow motion as I was saying that. Anywho, if you've seen from the title, we have two unboxings to do. So we're going to do like a double unboxing. We have the Eyescream Beauty Box. And we have the AIA or American Influencer Beauty Bundle. These are both from the month of October. So if you want to see what's inside and are they worth your coins, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's do the AIA box. This is a bi-monthly subscription. I don't remember the price offhand. I believe it's like $34.99. I will leave it on the screen. I do have a discount code. I will also leave that on the screen as well. I don't make anything out of it. It's just for you guys. So I just got done filming my PR boxycharm boxes and I dropped my knife and now I can't find it. So let's use these scissors to open her up. I haven't watched anybody unbox this or spoilers, and I know I say that a lot, but I really haven't since I've been unpacking and stuff. It's like I have to make a video of like telling you what has been going on as well. That's why I haven't been putting a lot of videos out lately. Alright, so when you open her up, that's what it looks like. One thing I like about them, they do collab with different influencers, and I do really enjoy that. Alright, so for the theme for this month is you'll get Give Them Lala Beauty. So, and that's what she looks like. Very beautiful. And then on the back tells you what everything you'll be getting. And does it give you prices? I don't see prices. Yeah, it does give you prices. All right. So here is a sneak peek. That's enough. All right. All right. Let's just, when I get to it, I'll tell you how I feel. Alright, so the first thing on top is this AIA face mask, which I'm glad that you get. I think it should be like maybe an extra, you know, but we all can use face masks, and this is $12. So let's open her up and see what she looks like, what she feels like. Gotta use my scissors. I keep losing my cutters. I lost my favorite ones, my orange ones, so... Alright, so that's what she looks like. And then there is the back. And does it have a slit to put filters in? No. I like the mask where you can put the filters in. But this makes me feel... Oh, God. I'll go. So you get a face mask, that's $12. Then you do get, I see on here, 4 lipsticks. I don't know if they're lip glosses or lipsticks. You also get something else in here. But I don't go anywhere, but when I do go somewhere, I'm using a face mask, so I'm not using lipsticks. So it's kind of weird to get 4 lipsticks. I don't know, because a lot of people aren't wearing lipsticks now, are you? If you're wearing face masks. But let me know down below. Maybe you are. I don't know. So I don't know what she has on her brand. Maybe she doesn't have a lot on her brand. So maybe that's why. I'm not sure. But let's go over the lipsticks. Okay, so the first one we have in the shade Wet. Alright, let's see where you be. So this is called a Wet Lip Quencher. This retail values for $18. It says this lightly tinted lip oil glides onto the lips to deliver moisture and a juicy look. So it's not like a matte. This will definitely get on a face mask, so you cannot use this when you go out. It's very pretty, and I love lip oils. I like anything like lip balms and anything for the lips, so I'm not knocking that. It's just weird nowadays, you know. For me, at least. I can only speak for myself. And it's just like a clear lip balm with just a little bit of like pink on there. But I'm sure once you put it on the lips, it'll look clear. But I don't mind. I like this type of stuff. So, alright, we have that. Then we have another one in Trippin'. Girl, you trippin'. Okay, so this is a Hydro Gloss. And this retails for $16. Again, it's not matte. So maybe this is like all her formulas. That way you get to try her formulas. That shade is gorgeous. Okay, let's see. So again, same applicator. This is gorgeous. Oh, I love this color. I wish this was like in a lipstick shade, but it's opaque and it's really nice. Alrighty. Alright, I'm glad to try this. The next thing we got is send nudes. Send some nudes, but never show your face. Never send any nudes with your face. Okay, so this is a cream lipstick, and this retails for $16. There we go. And I don't know if I showed you, all of them say hashtag give them Lala. Oh, nice nude color. And there we go. Very pretty. All right, and last but not least is I love you. You better love me if I'm sending you nudes. And then the shade wet. All right, let me stop. I know some of you guys don't like when I talk like that. All right, so this is a Hydro Matte lipstick, and this retails for $16. And this looks like a red shade. And there we go. I would wear this color like, what do you call it? Like hot Christmas time and stuff. That's really pretty though, that shade. Very pretty. All right, the lipsticks are very nice. I think I love the fact that you get a lip oil, a lip gloss. I love lip glosses, a cream shade, and a matte. So I'm glad you get to try all of her formulas, which I think is great. It's just, I don't know, because of COVID, and then like you can't wear them when you wear a mask, but I'm glad also to get a mask and a subscription box. Do you know what I mean? I don't know. All right, so the last thing is an eyeshadow palette, and I love eyeshadow palettes, and this retails for, let me get my eyeglasses on. Hold on. Hold the phone. This retails for $42. Wow. It's kind of expensive, but I'm sure she's a smaller brand, you know. I don't know. We'll see. And it's called the Pretty Palette. I just have a hard time paying expensive things when you can get like an Anastasia palette for like $46 or however they are. All right. Nice packaging. And, okay, so you get a nice mirror, and here are the shades, very pretty shades, and a nice mirror. That mirror is really, really nice. Now, the reason if you see me looking, because I see what they did. On here, it looks like it would be different shapes, but it's where they just like kind of like swatched it. So I was like, did I get the right palette? All right, so it is like a nude eyeshadow palette. So let's do a few swatches. Let's see how good it is, because it is $42. Well, they feel buttery. I'm swatching some of the mattes. All right, so there we go. They feel good so far. All right, now I did choose lighter colors, but this is the darkest brown. That's not too dark, but let's go in the second time. I always say that I rather have a eyeshadow, any kind of like eyeshadow palette that is buildable than just pigmented. So that way if you put too much on, you know, you kind of like build it up. So it is buildable, but you know, for my complexion, that's good. But if you're deeper complected than me, you'll really have to build that up. All right, so let's do some of the shimmer shades. They do feel really buttery though. All right, these are the 3 shimmer shades. And, you know, I don't know. I don't want to knock it because, you know, she's a smaller brand. But for how much was this? $42? You know, I don't know. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the October box. Now, like I said, usually you don't get all these lipsticks and stuff, you know. So is this my favorite month? No, it's not bad, but it's my preference because you know, I don't go anywhere. When I don't go anywhere, I don't wear makeup unless I'm filming. But if I have to go anywhere and I'm wearing a mask, I'm not wearing lipstick. So that's just a personal preference. But if you are the type that go to work and, you know, can wear lipsticks and stuff, I don't know. But we have this eyeshadow palette. I would never pay $42 for the way that it's swatched. But I can't knock it because I haven't tried it on, and they could blend like a dream and really build up. So it may be really good. And then we have these 4 lipsticks. I do love the fact that they do put each formula in the box. I think that's really, really good. And then I think they just threw in a face mask. That way you have a little bit more than just all lipsticks in that, you know, which is a nice touch. I'm not going to lie, because I can use all the face masks that I get. All right, so that's what we got in there. Like I said, it's not my favorite month, but it's definitely, you know, not the worst subscription box either. Let me know down below, what did you think of this month's box? All right, let's do the Eyescream Beauty Box. Like I said, I will put the price right here. I do have a code, I think it's first box, that saves you 10% off your first box. And with both of these boxes, I do not make anything out of it, and I did get sent both of these boxes. All right, where's my scissors? Did I lose my scissors already? Let's open her up. All right, when you open her up, that's what she looks like. Both of these boxes are fairly new. I think this is newer, the ice cream box. They've only had a couple boxes so far. All right, and so for the theme for this month is Witchin' Hour. And again, they do tell you everything that's on here and gives you prices, so that's good. The first thing, and so let me give you a little sneak peek. It's enough. All right, so the first thing is from Oakland Cosmetics. This is the Nova palette. So I do appreciate you always get some kind of palette in this box. So I do like that as well. This retails for $26. Oakland, again, has its hits and misses. Sometimes they're really good and sometimes not. Let's take this little sticker off. And let's see what she looks like. Okay. So I'm trying to get this paper off. It does have a nice mirror. So you get a mirror. And these are the colors. I definitely see October in it, you know. This may not be for everybody, but I definitely think you can get some really good Halloween looks out of this. I love it. And when I first started makeup, I was so scared of color. Like the most colorful eyeshadow I would use is like a cinnamon color, right? But now that I'm starting to like play around with it a little bit, I do enjoy it. All right, so let's do a couple swatches really quick. I just want to see what they feel like. And let's do an orange. And let's do this black. They pick up really, really nice, but let's see. I don't know what happened, but I think the black got on me. Okay. Now see, this swatches a little bit better than the other one. You see the color difference? Now this you have to build up, like I'm going to do the orange, but look at that. It builds up so good. I just did the orange. See the difference? $26, and you get more shades. But again, I could try this on, and it could be patchy, so you can't always go by that. I like to do swatches to see like the color. All right, I'm just going to do a couple of the shimmer shades and see how they swatch. I'll just do 3 real quick right here. They look gorgeous, don't they? Wow. The shimmer shades are not good. It's like, where you be? But you can always wet shimmer shades to make them you know, a little blinding. All right, so we have that. The next thing we have is from Lunar Beauty, and let's see, Luna by Luna. This is a Starlight lip gloss for $18. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a really pretty shade. I love lip gloss. It's like I can't have enough of them. Regular applicator. Let's put this right here. Ooh, she pigmented. That's gorgeous. It's right here. That's really, really pretty. All right. All right. I see you, Luna by Luna. All right. The next thing is from Hikari. Hikari is an expensive brand. There's that damn fly that keeps flying around. They are very expensive. I would never pay for what the retail value is, but that's why I love subscription boxes. All right, so let's see what this is. This is, it's called Forgiven. It's a primer for $25. I mean, sometimes I got like their face palette. It was like $53 for 4 shades. Oh, I wasn't expecting this. So it's just, you know, a primer. I'll definitely use it and keep you updated to see how it is. What does it say? It's a silicone one, so. All right. We have 2 more things. So then we have this from Steve Laurent. And this is a precision tip liner for $24. I keep dropping things. Hold the phone. In the shade black. So if this is a liquid eyeliner, I'll put this in a future giveaway because I won't use it. Yeah, it's I believe it's a liquid eyeliner. So I'll put this in a future giveaway only because I don't use them. But I definitely think, especially for Halloween time, definitely this is good for the box. And last but not least is this Be a Bombshell. This is in Hocus Pocus, the 1 stick. What the heck? This is $16. And what does it say? It says you can use on cheeks, eyes, and lips. Let me get this black shade off me. Okay, I kept seeing it. All right. So there we go. Ooh, that's pretty. I would probably use this as a lipstick. And that's only a personal preference because I don't tend to use the same thing on my lips, on my cheeks or whatever, but that's pretty. This will be, if you have a deeper complexion, this will be perfect for like a blush. That's really, really pretty. And let's see how blendable it is. Oh, it's definitely blendable for a blush. That's really, really pretty. Did I say how much that was? $16. Yeah, I'll definitely use this as a lipstick. All right, so let's recap everything that we got in the Eyescream Beauty Box. So we have this 1 stick. We have the lip gloss. We have a eyeliner. What else? We have the primer. And we have this pretty palette. The mattes are really pretty. The shimmers, not so much. But like I said, I haven't tried them on my eyes. So, yeah, that is everything on both of these indie brands. Let me know what you think of these subscriptions. Do you think it's worth it? Let me know if you just like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, or do you like the more like smaller brands better for subscription boxes? Let me know in the comments down below. And let me know if you still want me... Let me try that again. Let me know if you still want to see me open up these smaller boxes, because I notice my views are a little bit lower when I do open these boxes. So it's all about you guys. Let me know down below, and if you don't want to see them, then I won't have them on my channel anymore. So let me know down below. And that's everything, guys. I do have a giveaway going on. It's in my BoxyCharm video. I will leave it down below. And that is everything, guys. Please like this video. It really helps me out, and it only takes a second. If you enjoy unboxings, mystery boxes, hauls, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love for you to join our family. And don't forget to hit the post notification bell. Make sure that you double tap it and you have it on all. That way you get notified for all of my future videos and my upcoming giveaways. And that's everything, guys. Stay blessed, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God, was I too negative? I don't know.